Welcome back to Crochet Piece. This tutorial is for beginners or anyone who is first learning how to join their yarn with their hook. So first we're going to go over the slip knot. Okay, so this is the tail and this is the working end of yarn. Okay, I like to roll my yarn into a ball so that it makes it easier for me to work with, but you don't have to. So you're gonna first make a slip knot. Okay, so this is a slip knot video, and if you're left-handed, this video is going to be a little different for you. The process is going to be a little different for you. This is for right-handed friends and lefties. I apologize. I know y'all are used to putting up with us right-handed folks. So good luck to you with that. And also check out some videos on the internet that might have some other left-handed options. Okay, so here's the tail, and you want to extend your pointer finger and your middle finger on your less dominant hand. So for me, my less dominant hand is my left hand. I'm going to take that tail and bring it down like that in front on the palm side of my fingers. See? So tail is down here, and then I'm going to take my thumb and pinch it in place just so that it stays in place. Okay? Now there are many ways to do this. This is the easiest way for me to teach it. Then you're going to take this working end of yarn and you're going to wrap it around the back of your fingers on the knuckle side and bring it around the front onto the palm side. And then you're going to make an X to cross over like so. Okay? And then you're going to pinch it in place with your thumb and then let it hang down the back on the knuckle side. So this is what you will have: an X in the front and 2 loops on the back. Okay, this is the front loop, the loop that's closest to your nail, and this is the back loop, the loop that's closest to your knuckle. Okay, so that's how that looks. Now you're going to take the hook, crochet hook with the hook facing down, and you're going to tuck it underneath that first loop and grab a hold of that second loop and pull the second loop under the first loop like so. Okay, then I usually have you flip the hook up just so that it's in place and it creates that, and we're going to actually let our fingers come out of that hole, and as we do that we want to grab a hold of these 2 pieces of string at the bottom and then take this crochet hook and pull up, and then so you see how that slip knot was created right there in the center, and there she is. Now the slip knot is most likely a little far from the crochet hook, so you want to pull the 2 pieces apart like so, so that it goes close to the crochet hook like that. Okay, and there's your slip knot. In the next video I'll talk to you about the chains, how to create the chains. Okay.